If you're looking to make a collar for your hatchet and you have no leatherwork craft tools or experience, then this is a video for you. This is the sheath that I made. And now I'd like to put a collar on. The leather that I've used off this old bag literally was so crusty that when I bent it over it actually was breaking the surface. So I've had this piece of leather now soaking in soapy water for probably about 2-3 hours, and that's just making it a lot more pliable. That I've made up. Hopefully it's long enough. I would recommend that you use leather shoelace, but we'll give this a go. I want to make a little template up for this. Personally think I only want one that is just past the blade. I'm going to wrap that around there and act as a template. We're around about 2 inches. So that's about as wide as I think I want to make mine. Right, I just want to mark the centre line of this handle. So that's about centre there. So just fold this around. I'm going to mark, because of the shape of this handle, I made this handle, by the way. If you haven't seen it, check out the video. I'm just going to mark that centre line there and that one there, and once again on this side and in the middle. Right, not too sure if you can see that. So there's a bit of a gap there. I'm going to use this now as my leather template. Taking my piece of leather, and we'll just cut that out. Because this has been soaking, this will shrink a little bit. Let's put some holes in it. So because this is 5, I want about 4 holes. So that's conveniently 10mm apart. Right, now I don't have any hole punch or anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use drill bit. If this is attempt number 2, attempt number 1, the cover started coming off, and I just wasn't happy with that, so I've cut a slightly bigger one. I've sandpapered off the outside, I've stained it, I've made some really big holes this time. Tighten these up now. And over nice in there. Just put a little bit of glue just on that knot. Right. And there we have it. Simple collar. The hardest thing was actually trying to figure out the threading of this. Here's my hatchet with its new sheath, and now it has a collar. and that's being wet formed, so that leather will dry. And yeah, if you end up missing the blade and hit this, now to be fair, this isn't about aesthetics, it's about getting more life out of the handle. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I think I'm heading back to work next week, so life in lockdown will officially finish with this last video. I hope you've enjoyed the series. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you most likely on an adventure.